Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize document in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software, and you can see you open a document. That's it is in this document. Now you want to resize the document. Go to the file menu and select the document setup option. You can open this using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl Alt and P on your keyboard. Now click this. Then you can see at the setup of the document. You can resize the document. You can change the page size. Click this page size drop down menu and you can see here A4, tabloid, legal half or letter half, etc. Now I am select the legal option. Then click OK. Then zoom out the document, press Ctrl Alt and wheel on your mouse. And you can see we change resize the document very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.